Imagine earning $50 over and over again quickly, and this is exactly what I'm going to teach you in today's video. I will explain you in detail this new method that was not mentioned previously before on this channel. It is even a new website, but first of all, I want you to know that this method is 100% free and we are not going to invest any money at all, and this method is 100% free and it works worldwide. And if you like this type of strategies and want to see more content where you could benefit from and make an extra income, then give us a massive like and activate the notifications so you can be the first one to know and take advantage of them. And if you want to find out alternative ways to make thousands of dollars per month, click on the first link into the description and I will send you all the information to your email address. So with that said, let me take you to your computer and let's get started with today's strategy. So for today's strategy, the first thing that I would like you to do is I want you to come to Google and put Google Chrome Web Store, okay? And once that you're in Google Chrome Web Store, we are going to be looking for the Google Mail Checker. Okay, so once that you see this one, you're gonna see, and obviously the good thing about this extension is it's gonna give you the option to be able to prioritize your email and be able to see any notifications. So I'm gonna show you exactly why would you need to do this. Okay, so it will be as simple as add to Chrome, and then once that you add to Chrome, it will appear over here. Okay, so it's very straightforward, and once that you start getting your emails, then you'll connect it to your desired email address and it will actually display here. You can come here, you can check the different reviews, and obviously if it's good enough for you, then you should go ahead and download it because you're gonna need it for today's strategy. So for today's strategy, there are a few different ways you could do it. You could go to Upwork, and then you could go to Upwork and put here your profile in order to test different applications, so you're gonna get paid for it. But this will be a long way, so instead of doing it this way, I'm gonna show you a different way to do it. So I want to go to a website which is called testedwork.com. okay, and this website will give you money in order to start testing apps. So you can see you can join the community with more than 60,000 people around the globe, and then you can start earning money testing different websites on your free time. As you can see here, this website is backed up by big brands like Facebook, Google, Verizon, Microsoft, and so on. And the way it works, you just need to sign up, then you just need to test apps and websites, and then once that your test cycle is complete, you can relax and enjoy your well-deserved payment. They will pay you with PayPal, and then here you can see more information why you should be testing with them instead of with a different company, right? So you can see here it gives you the option to earn money, so make money for the bugs that you report and test cycles you complete. If you are a QA professional or only tech enthusiast, you can increase your income by joining the tested work. Okay, so you're gonna be able to gain different skills and experience, and then you have exclusive access to test at home, which is actually it will give you the option to connect with other people and reach out and be able to be invited to different events worldwide. Okay, so here is what the community needs to talks about, and you can see the different testimonials, but then you can see with your own eyes how it works. You can come here and click on the video explanation, and here you're gonna find more information on how it works and the different testimonies and why it will work for you as well. Okay, so in order to become a tester, you can just click on become a tester, and then it will be as simple as just filling up all this information, including email, password confirmation, and password confirmation. You need to select the terms of use and the non-disclosure agreement and the private policy. You will need to read all this before signing up. Now make sure that you put the right details, because if you don't, they won't be able to send you the confirmation email. So once that you add your email address and your password, they're gonna send you an email confirmation to your email address that you need to double click and accept in order to confirm your email address, so you can start using this platform. Okay, so it's very simple, very straightforward, and this is a good opportunity, guys, that you can start earning money. So once that you have your Chrome application installed, then every email that you get from TestWorker is gonna go into your Chrome extension, and then you're gonna be able to see the different emails that you can see in this image, and then you can take advantage by being the first one to open this email and taking this test where they're gonna pay you, So another website that I'm gonna show you is called join.digabante.com. Okay, this website is actually going to pay you more money than the website I showed you before, so this is why I highly recommend you to join to this website as well. So it's as simple as you can create a Digibante tester account, you can add your hardware and software, and then you receive your test breaks to alert you by email. And because you have your Google Mail checker here, then you're gonna be the first one to know before somebody else, because we get so many different emails per day. So once that you have this installed, then you're gonna be getting your alerts on the daily basis whenever a new project comes up, and then you will be able to use your skills to find bugs and defects, and then these bugs are reviewed for accuracy, and then you can get paid via PayPal or Payoneer. Okay, so you can just come to a website, check it out, and then you can see the different ways of how you can get money. You get paid for every valid issue you identify and each successfully executed test case. Okay, so you work alongside remote team and functionality across a range of mobile apps, website, and software. Okay, so it's as simple as creating an account, complete your onboarding process, and completing your profile. Okay, and then you will be getting your alerts to your email address, which you're gonna be able to check with Google Mail Checker. Okay, and here it shows you different ways that you can actually get money. You can get paid for every valid issue of your issues you identify, and then you can get paid for following the steps in a test case and letting us know if it passes or not. Get paid for reproducing and evidencing issues that other testers have raised. And here give you more options and give you more information of why you should join with them, and they are backed up by big brands including Calvin Klein, Filth, and Gymshark. So it's very good opportunity for you to come have a look. It'll be as simple as just creating an account. You can just create an account, or if you want to find out more information, you can go into About Us, and then you can check their story and you can see what's the mission and what's the background and why it's a website, it's a legit website for you to join. Okay, so once that you sign up, it will ask you all these questions. You need to add information about your name, username, email address, your email, your password, and so on. So again, make sure that you put the correct information so they can send you all the information to your email address. There you can just confirm your account and start applying for all these different tests, enjoying the different tests, and start getting paid an extra income on the side. Okay guys, so this is what I wanted to say with you guys. You come to Google Mail Checker, you're gonna have your emails there in order to check as soon as a new test comes up, and it's a straightforward opportunity that you can start implementing right away. So I highly encourage you to go and sign up with both of these websites. Okay, so with that said, this is all for today's strategy which I wanted to share with you. I hope that you take massive action and you get great results. But additionally, if you want to find an alternative way where you can make thousands of dollars per day, then just click on the first link into the description, because I'm going to send you all the information to your email address so you can get started making high ticket affiliate commissions from today, starting today. Okay, so don't miss out of that. And with that said, I hope that you are very successful. I hope that you can get extra money, and I hope that you achieve the financial freedom that you deserve. So I hope that you have a great day and a great week ahead, and I will come very, very soon with more content on the latest strategies on digital marketing so you can be the first ones to benefit. So take care guys, I hope all the best, and we speak very soon. Take care.